Okay guys, welcome back to another video. I just did a video on how to do tutorial, but somehow it got deleted. So I'm just going to go through it quickly with you guys again, and I might make another video because this isn't very clear because I just did this but it got deleted. So this is what it was doing when it got deleted. And it might have not got deleted, I haven't checked yet, but I'm pretty sure it has. And I'm just going to quickly show you how to zoom in. So what you need to do, tap onto this bit, then you see all the bits at the bottom. You need to press onto actions, then press split. When you split this, and then you need to split another bit, so you just have this in between bit, and then you can press speed it up, slow it down to what you want to do, and by the question diagonally across to the question mark is pinch and zoom. You can zoom it in like that, and like that, and with here you can press filter, and then you can just change the filter for that just a bit. My favourite is comic, so we're going to do it to comic. So now I'm going to watch this all the way through. Sorry if this was a little short, it's just because I just did it, and this might even be a part 2 because I have actually made this already and it got a little bit deleted, so I might just try to get it back. But this is what I did last video and this video. Oh, how could I forgot? I forgot to show you the music. If you go into that settings button, you can change this, but it'll change it for the entire thing. And the add button, you can add some photos, background files, and if you press audio, you can play your songs sort of thing. Around here, so this is some of my music and songs that I like A, B, C, E, F, U. They're my favourite songs that I do recommend with, but some of them are my dad's too. So I do recommend these songs, but if there's another way of doing it. If you press the setting buttons again, you can see all these. They're actually music. If you go into the news, it'll go like a dung music, so you know the news music. I only tried new, simple, and neon. Neon's definitely my favourite. Tap onto neon, then make sure all those things are green, and this is what neon sounds like. And I have done this video twice, so it's a bit short, so make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in the comments say when you're done, and you could get a gift, but so far I only gifted two subscribers. So put your epic ID or username down in the put it down in the comment section, and I'll put my username. Hey, my username, it's kind of stupid, in the description. So yeah, bye.